Foshan King Han Long Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is located in Foshan City, which is the manufacturing industry town of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. The company is a manufacturer specializing in R&D, manufacturing, sales and after-sales service of packaging machinery. It has an industrial zone of 8,000 square meters, 19 senior engineers specializing in technology research and development, and more than 80 experienced technicians. Our company's products are fully automatic packaging line series, large and small vertical packaging machine series, pillow packaging machine series, tea bags packaging machine series, high-speed packaging machine series, and automatic pre-made bags filling sealing rotary type packing machine series. It is mainly used for the packaging of liquid, sauces, powder, granules, snacks, fruits and vegetables, hardware and plastics, daily chemical products, etc. We have long-term cooperation with many well-known enterprises from all over the world, and the machines have been exporting to North America, EU, Middle East, South Africa, and Southeast Asia, etc. We have a professional quality inspection team to inspect the quality of the machine in multiple dimensions. We adhere to the customer-centric business philosophy. The technology and configuration of the machine revolve around the practicability of the machine to the customer, improve the efficiency of production and packaging, and maximize the value creation for the customer. Our company has our own corporate philosophy and culture, and pays attention to all aspects of the customer's product experience and good after-sales service system.